नमो रिहंताणम, नमो सत्ताणम, नमो अयर्याणम, नमो उज्जैनम, नमो सप्प सावणम, नमोकारो सप्प पावपणासनो, मंगलांत सभ्य सिंपरमम मवे मंगलम. Akhil Bharat Krishi Goseva Sangh, the NGO, has a great vision. Our main vision is to raise human perceptions of the moral status of animals by recognizing animals as sentient beings. To raise the legal status of animals, reflect their status as sentient being, including protection in national and international law. Not only that, by promoting animal rights to further respect for both humans and non-human animals, to facilitate increased respect for all life by promoting animal protection education and at all educational levels. Not only that, to protect the environment by ensuring that farming and development activities are sustainable, and to promote spiritual and healthy living by maintaining our glorified ancient legacy and culture. Thank you very much for now.